Reporting live, again, it's your boy MJ holding it down city to city, titty to titty. Going overtime on you motherfuckers. Holding it down right now with your boy. My God.
Titty to titty.
Gagini. Deeply rooted, holding it down. Motherfucking #1 podcast in the city. It's your boy MJ doing anything he's supposed to do to make sure you know exactly what's going on. Shout out to my motherfucking nigga OB, dog.
What's poppin', fam? Y'all, it's been a long damn minute, man. Clean. We out chilling in the name, man.
Nigga, putting in work the right way, dog.
Hey, it's been a minute, but so Monto Vincent Plaza in the lockdown, you know, been locking us out, couldn't move, couldn't see people, yeah, boy. It's a nice time, yeah, boy, to be out here, you know, and being here, it's on your podcast, you know, the sickest titty to titty.
Yeah, you know, let them titties on that show.
I was watching this interview with you and Miss Andy, yeah, boy.
Miss Andy,
I was stuck on the part like,
shout out to the chocolate mom.
Titty.
Yeah.
That was crazy. I was on.
But go ahead.
Titty.
But so my nigga, for the people who don't know, who the fuck is OB, where you from, and what do you do as a teen? Gagin.
Well, OB Magic is OB Magic grew up here in town, man. You know, sickest MC to ever come out.
City boy.
You know, CDD. You know,
literally.
Yeah, I started rapping, man, and then which also transformed into producing, and now I'm doing magic. You know, that's why I put magic on the OB. And I added a K on it because it's a different type of magic. You know, yeah.
I should took let the people know what's going on with this new shit you got with your boy Mosey.
Man, I got this new song, but yeah, speaking of that, man, it's a very fire song and it's people are loving it, man.
Sure,
the response that I'm getting is overwhelming. Thanks. Yeah, man. So yeah, I needed that heat, yeah, bro. So I had to go and blast, yeah. Music was like, yo, I got the ball, you know. And then yeah, man, the song is crazy. You can go download it, yeah, bro. You can get it on Spotify and all these media platforms.
What's the name of the joint?
It's On The Move, man.
On The Move.
Oh, yeah, it's On The Move.
With Musicaholics.
Got Musicaholic on it, man.
And was it you produced that shit or was it XYZ?
Actually, I came with the beat, right?
Yeah.
First, again, XYZ, and I needed a beat. So I told him, like, yo, this is what I got already. XYZ, listen to it and be like, there's no need for us to make a beat, Sabo. Let's just work on this one. So we jumped in, edited some couple of melodies, and then we sent it to Music. He was like, and the song went on like that, man. I mixed the whole thing, and then man, it was popping, man.
So when did you drop that shit?
I dropped it last Friday, actually.
The days? October 22nd?
Yeah, it was on the 20th. Yeah.
Yes.
It was last Friday. It was crazy. As soon as it dropped, man, everybody went crazy with it. So I wasn't expecting that much reaction, because now I'm still trying to find myself in this music, and you know, pushing from releasing music for free and then having to use Spotify, having to try and people make them engage with all of that, as hard as an upcoming artist, but you know, the response is just cool, man. It was dope, man.
The lines have drawn. Musicaholic isn't an upcoming artist, he's an A-lister. You just did a song with one of the hottest niggas in the country.
Me,
what do you mean?
You know? For me to achieve that, you know, it actually place me in a proper position, to say I can make a move.
But I mean, dog, Music is the hottest nigga in the country, bro. Like, it don't get higher than that. But see, my shit,
it never gets higher than that, man.
It just gotta, I feel like, get visuals down, you know, really try and milk it for what it's worth.
Most def, and we're working on that, you know, to continue promo and releasing.
What's the shit going on with you? I saw a post by Peter a few days ago. He's like, man, they're kind of like, you know, Durban promoters, like, you know, it's been a minute since there's been like a decent show, basically, right? Thanks. You know, what's going on? I saw there's a post with you, Celestial Mike, Pete Dog, and Miss Andy. What's up with that shit? Is too.
Yeah, man. I think we're doing it for the culture, man. That's the whole theme, for the culture. Celeste hit me up and be like, yo, Snow Pete Dog, we're setting up this event and we want to unite with with artists, bringing crews from different places to come and support for the culture. So he put me on Miss Andy, then Pete Dog as well, now Celestial Mike. So I'm looking forward to that, man. You know, looking forward to that.
Where is it gonna be?
It's gonna be taking place at Ace's Pizza. Yeah.
Shout out to Ace's Pizza though. They've been holding it down for the culture by now.
Like big time.
They've been holding it down the right way.
Big time. Yeah. And also to look out for on Sunday too. There's another event popping up at Center. Zagwe Hood versus Hood. So I'm gonna be there.
Shout out to Duncan Zagwe holding it down.
Yeah. Shout out to the homies as well, man. So there's a lot of gigs, man.
Fuck right now.
I'm trying to push, man. Trying to be out there, man. Trying to be out there. So now that's the best I can do for my music. To try and make sure everything is standard. Big time.
Let the people know it's like Obi Magic signed khona izazayithi zenelidedele inyuku first noma khona uJimmy ayifile emuva bese uyabo what's going on, like it's team dog.
Well, I signed
that shit is important that people need to know what's going on.
Facts, true. Actually I signed a contract with Tendrick a year ago. So what they actually dealing with, they promoting my music, pitching me out there, you know, and ever since we started things have been going well for my music, and the response, gaining a lot of audience about to them, and they've been helping me out doing a lot of music videos. We even landed a deal with Content Connect Africa, CCA, which actually they distribute our music now, which gives me another easy upper hand to make my music flow, and have people get it. It's been dope.
What Content Create Africa?
It's Content Connect Africa.
Content Connect Africa. So they're like a PR company, basically.
They're like
PR
a
distribution.
Exactly.
The people need to know this shit. Which companies to highlight for that work? Gabi. So let the people know, like, is there an EP on the way? Is it out already? Is it just like the single with the Musicaholic? Is it team?
Most definitely. Actually, Lingoma with the Musicaholic is the first single, which is from an EP for the taking. I'm releasing the EP on the 12th of November. It has like 7 songs. There's Musicaholic on it. There's Abdus on it. And then there's Obi Magic on it. So it's a fire EP.
It's got music video.
Most definitely. It's a
shout out to all the mammies. Yes, what you said. Woo! Manager Mexican the gear all cameoed up. Manager just cameoed up like a motherfucker.
Zamupisa my kilos,
get your body right
to make it to the scene.
Get your body right. Niggas be hitting the gym like a motherfucker. What is it? Post nigga.
I'm
like, nigga, damn, hey, Chicago no. So that's not physique village, Samarita, what after that? But no, it's back to the mixtape, like, you know, who did you work with production wise? Because you just said that you make beats as well, but you also collaborate with Olof. Did you collaborate with any other niggas other than your XYs on the like mixtape and shit, production wise?
Production wise on the project, it was just me, man. Because I actually did try to work with other producers and collected beats, but for the vision that I was going for, it kept on going off tune. So I had to try and see what I could pitch up on my archives, and I ended up producing the whole thing, with the help of XY's.
Shout out to XY's.
Shout out to
Mafia came in right now, dog.
Big time Mafia,
which is good, nigga. He said we're holding it down the whole day, nigga, the whole time. Gagindi.
All day, every day. So like now, it's very great. Having to work with people that I look up to, people that I respect in the game,
and that are willing to work, bro.
Yeah, they're willing to work. In fact, all of these guys, they're willing to work. It's just how you put in the idea and how you pitch up the idea. Make it useful, man. Make it have substance and span against it.
Let the people know where they can highlight you at, dog, on them socials like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, like YouTube. What's going on?
Yeah, man. I'm everywhere actually. I've been trying to dance for TikTok. Like, TikTok just came. I'm like,
niggas be TikToking like a motherfucker.
It's crazy because there's social media and TikTok apparently.
TikToking like a motherfucker.
It's crazy. So I'm really trying to learn to adapt. Even though things change. But you can find me everywhere, man. On Facebook, OB Magic, on Twitter, OB Magic, Instagram, even on YouTube. You can check my channel, see some music videos there at OB Magic. Everywhere, Magic with the K. And
if they just want to book you and shit, like, who can they contact?
If people want to book me, man, they can contact Tendrick. You can follow Tendrick on Facebook, Tendrick Entertainment. You can follow them on Instagram. You can hit them up. You're gonna find me.
Showcased, okay.
One time.
Fairs. Reporting live, I'm getting support. You're holding it down, city to city, titty. Shout out to Deeply Rooted. Shout out to everybody putting in that work right now. So, stay pure out of the Republic. When you cop the merch, you get that music. More visuals on the way. Everybody's showing love to that shit I just dropped with Pete, dog. I appreciate it, Gagini. Oh, wow, that's new. But yeah, so I think this is gonna drop probably this Monday. So that same Friday is going to be the event, I think. So it's fit to talk Aces Pizza holding it down, city to city, the right way. Gagini, March.
Head up of water, my ducks in the row. Only one life and I'm living it though. J's 10, what's happening, bro? Recording, stay patient, I go. Still independent, finessing it though. Owner and artist, I had to do both. Open the market up, gotta get dope. Producing in product, a boy on the road. I might just